Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are cleaning out my big clunky jewelry box. I think I've had some of this jewelry since freshman year of high school, which is very embarrassing. I need to clean out all the old stuff so I can make room for new pieces. So yeah, let's just hop right into the video. So here is my huge chunky jewelry box. It's so thick. This might be a longer video, so grab a snack and let's get ready to clean out and organize. So this is literally what the first top compartment looks like. This area,
they ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they...
So this is what the first compartment looks like. You can literally see my ring light in the reflection. I literally have all this Uncommon James jewelry. If you don't know anything about Uncommon James, it's owned by Kristen Cavallari. I love all their stuff so much, clearly. Even I'm wearing 2 bracelets. And then these white earrings are also Uncommon James, including all this stuff. I'm definitely going to be keeping all of these pieces. Let me just show you some of my favorite. Here is this chain ring. The chain look is super in right now. You got me in chains. Next thing I wear all the time, you can literally layer or wear by itself. This plain chain necklace. I always wear gold jewelry. I rarely ever wear silver. I do have silver in here, but I just love gold more. I have these earrings. They kind of dangle at the end. I also have a matching necklace that goes with these. Like I said before, chains are super in. This is kind of like a choker, but I always wear this on the last class. It's super pretty, so nice for layering, and I love it. These are another staple. These have a little sparkle on the front of them. They are just basic gold hoops, and I do like bigger hoops just because you can see them through my hair.
The bigger the hoop, the bigger the hoe. Look how big mine are.
I just went through a few of those pieces because I don't want this video to be an hour long. This necklace I got from my grandma. It's just kind of like a rose gold and sparkle necklace. I wear this all the time when I have more like a rose gold moment. In this box, my mom got me for Christmas this little necklace. It has a Tennessee and a Connecticut outline of the state, and I thought that was so cute because I do live in Tennessee now and I don't plan to come back to Connecticut, so it just kind of reminds you of home and your roots. This is actually another bracelet from my mom. I think she got me this freshman year. It has 2 little arrows on it, and I think it means no matter where we go in life, you're always gonna cross paths and we're just never gonna forget each other. This is another just plain kind of choker chain necklace, but I think it might just be good to keep if I just wanted to throw something on or layer. Can you tell I went through kind of a choker phase in high school? Since this is silver and I don't really wear choker things anymore, I might get rid of this. Yes, this is another choker. It's kind of like a felt material, which is honestly kind of cool. And since it's a tan color, I might keep it. Who knows if I'll actually wear it, but I'll keep it. This is something that I wore so much in high school. I completely forgot about this. It's so long because it's supposed to tie around your neck, and then these little things will hang like right here. It's supposed to be another choker thing, but I think I can wear this longer. So next I have this ring. I think my aunt got these for me. I think this is actually from middle school. I'm literally so embarrassed that I have middle school jewelry in here. This is like an interchangeable ring. You can pop this purple out, and then I can interchange it with this little one and put it in here. So I'm gonna get rid of these since they were kind of like rusting and tarnished. These are 2 Pandora rings. I wear these actually all the time. This one's more like rose gold, and then obviously that's silver. So I wear these all the time, and I'm going to be keeping them. I've had these earrings since middle school, and they are actually broken. There's actually supposed to be another dangly thing in the middle of these. These are like super rusty, and these are heading in the trash. These are the gold hoops that I wore in middle school, basically every day of my life. I feel gross even touching these. Look how tarnished they are. Like, they're not even gold anymore. They're like brown. I have these little gold earrings that I got when I was a baby, and these two with a little flower on them. And so are these ones, so I'm definitely gonna be keeping these since I think these are real gold too. I don't know if anybody else in middle school went through kind of like a little bow phase, but I remember everything at like Forever 21 was bows with the jewelry, and thank God I got rid of all that stuff, so that's not in here. But I think these little ones slipped by, so I'm getting rid of these. These are another pair of Uncommon James earrings. These are super cute for summer. These were just loose in here, but I'm definitely keeping these. These are kind of like octagon-ish hoops. Wait, are these octagons? Yes. These are the only silver hoops that I have. They are like super tarnished. You can see how they're kind of like rose gold now. So I think I'm gonna toss these just because like they're not silver anymore. These hoop earrings, they kind of have little blue sparkle moment going on, and I like these for just like a subtle color, so I'm gonna be keeping these. These earrings are very summery and just have some color, so I'm gonna be keeping these. These sparkly earrings I actually wore to my junior prom. I wear these all the time with loungewear for some reason. I don't know why, just to kind of elevate my loungewear outfit. So this is what the top container looks like at the moment. I'm gonna be keeping all those rings just because I do wear most of them. So I just took the drawer right out of the box, and this is what it looks like. So let's take a look at what we have here. This is my Peyton name necklace in silver, which I always wear if I ever wear silver. This is what I'm wearing. I've had this bracelet since middle school. It's like a clamp, so maybe for like a night out I could definitely wear this, and I've actually thought about it too. Like prior to doing this video, I've always remembered that I had this in here. I've debated wearing it out a few times, so I'm gonna keep this. This I also got when I was born. It has my name engraved on it, which you can't really see, but, and then this just has a P on it right there. So I'm gonna be keeping these for sure. This is a Tennessee necklace, and I got my mom a matching one, and hers was in rose gold. So I'm gonna be keeping this just so we can continue to twin. These necklaces I both got from my grandma. One is this silver with this little blue gem on it, and then this one is an anchor. I'm gonna be keeping these because I actually do wear this one in the winter time with a lot of sweaters. This is my Michael Kors watch in rose gold. My dad got me this for Christmas in 2018, so I'm definitely keeping this. Why do I do this to myself and keep things from when I was literally 12? Why did I have so much leather that tied around my neck? What was happening to me? This is a gold bracelet with kind of like an emerald gem on it. I'm gonna keep this because it's gold, and if I want to wear a pop color in the summer. I've had this bracelet for way too long, and you can't tell, but the little gold pieces in between the little crystally gems are tarnishing. These I've had since middle school.
It's a no for me, dog. I don't think it was really.
I don't know what possessed me to buy everything in middle school with my initial on it. I don't know how to explain this besides kind of Aztec, a little Aztec moment. This I got in Tennessee. I don't remember the store name. I definitely think this was kind of on the expensive side because it's kind of like leather. So I'm gonna be keeping this. I literally don't even know what these are. This is so embarrassing. Look at this like elastic. Like, what was I doing in middle school? Here are all of my silver moments here with bracelets, and these bracelets are all really cute. This bracelet is literally broken. That's obviously getting lost. I love the white stones on here, and if I want pop color in the summer, I do put this on. This is from my friend Morgan's mom's jewelry brand, and she just sells them at little boutique stores around town. It's called Morgan and Me Designs, so definitely check them out. Morgan, I got you. I'm literally just embarrassed for myself. These like nautical bracelets. Goodbye. This is a gold Alex and Ani, so I'm gonna be keeping this for sure. I literally got this from like a little Secret Santa thing in high school, and I'm sorry to whoever gave me this, but I'm tossing it. but I'm gonna keep this silver necklace because I do like to put it with sweaters in the winter time, like the little bar hanging down, but it is just really old, so I'm gonna toss this. This is another initial necklace. I layer it with my Peyton Maine necklace, and so I'll be keeping this. I don't remember where I got this, and I honestly never wear it. These three necklaces right here, I am all tossing. This lightning bolt stuff right here is like completely tarnished. It's like rose gold. I do like to put it with sweaters in the winter time again, so I'm gonna be keeping this. This is a little rose gold moment, and I've actually been thinking about this for like the past week because I just kind of remember that I had this, but now I'm looking at it and it's like completely tarnished. Do you remember when these bar necklaces were like all the rage in high school? Like, I don't know why they were so popular. It was so simple, but I'm gonna be tossing this. I've had this for so long and I just don't wear it anymore. I don't wear long necklaces anymore. I have one long necklace that we're gonna get to that I actually do wear in the summer, but I don't wear these long necklaces anymore. This is the long necklace that I just mentioned that I do wear. I wear it over the summer. This is very flashy, but honestly, I feel like I can still get use out of this. I think I'm gonna save the big one, but this little one, I'm never gonna wear that. Oh my gosh, I remember this from middle school. It had a longer one that you layered with it. The longer one probably broke, but I kept the shorter one, but too bad because that's getting tossed now. I just wanted to show you guys the aftermath. So this is my, well, this little section right here. This is my trash pile. This is my keep pile, so let me just organize that real quickly, and I'm gonna be showing you guys the finished jewelry box. So much for watching my video today. I hope this was just kind of relaxing and maybe encouraged you to clean out some of your own jewelry or your clothes or something like that, because we gotta stay with the trends. We can't fall behind, and if nobody has told you yet today, you are doing so amazing and you are enough. Bye guys.